So the plan is I'm going up the Healy Pass ahead of everybody to fly the drone and film them going up. Let's see if that works. Will I have enough of a head start to actually put the drone up in the air and film my comrades? Now, I didn't manage to kidnap Saddlebags 73 and stick him in one of my panniers before this trip. He always gets the good weather when he comes up here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to have the sunny weather. Hopefully it will be clear enough up there that I can do this, but we'll see, we'll soon find out. Truth be told, I need to take the time to take a pee as well. Desperate to let some water go. Look at this place. It's beautiful, beautiful pass. I've only seen it in the videos, as I said, from the likes of Saddlebags and others, and Lord Billiers. But oh, look at this, beautiful. Ooh, and a citron, lovely. Get off the road, sheep. My friends are coming. Well, at least it's dry so far. Stunning place for a road. Beautiful, beautiful. let's get ready.
Step by step, I climb so high, touching the clouds, reaching the sky, lost in the silence, wild and free. The mountains are calling, calling to me.
Right, well I think I got the shot that I wanted. If you see it in the video, it's because I did. That is a very nice ride. Oh, they're not going to wait for me and let me have a pee. Okay. That's not very nice, is it? I need a pee. Oh wow, forget about the pee. Look at the stunning views. My microphone is dying, guys. Battery is going low, but even if the microphone isn't working, just appreciate the scenery here. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Oh, a little waterfall as well. very moody.